What's going on, everyone? Chris back with another video, and this looks like an Essential 360 camera, but it's not. This is the 360 camera case. I picked this up during like the Prime Day sale. Essential had these for I think for like $5 or something like that, and I figured it was worth it just because when I first got the Essential phone I paid $50 just because I was one of the first ones that kind of pre-ordered the device, things like that. These have gone since on sale for like $25, things like that. They bundle it now with the Essential phone, but normally it comes in this little bag. This isn't protective when you're dealing with a lot of technology, cameras, lenses, glass, things like that. So a hard case is always going to be better than just little soft microfiber bag. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. I got the black one. They also have one in red. And this comes in just a very simple, glossy, plastic pill shape bottle kind of thing. Has a little lanyard so you can attach it to a bag. You can hold on to it, things like that. Key ring. And then it pops open with this little button, spring-loaded action, and it opens just like that. Inside it has a kind of like a soft touch finish inside like that, and then the camera just sits and goes in just like that. When it moves around you can feel the camera moving just slightly, but this is going to protect your camera much better than this would. I would definitely recommend picking it up. There's actually a little pamphlet in here. Basically legal and warranty information. So you can pick this up on Amazon. The pricing fluctuates quite a bit. You can also pick it up on their website. I'll leave the links for you to pick it up wherever you want. But I highly recommend picking this up just for, even if you don't use your Essential phone or the camera a lot, this is just a good investment just for future reference, just in case if you do want to take it out, let's say you go camping or wherever, you at least have this protected and it's compact and it's not very big. Thank you all for watching. If you guys have questions on the Essential 360 camera case, let me know. Have a good one, guys.